Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore the best and sometimes the most curious in beauty, so you can make informed choices that truly enhance your self-care rituals. Today, I'm bringing you an in-depth look at a product designed specifically for the delicate eye area, the Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Eye Cream. This little tube promises a lot, fading dark circles, softening fine lines and wrinkles, and even tackling stubborn crow's feet, all thanks to its potent blend of retinol and hyaluronic acid. Let's unpack what's inside before we dive deeper. This eye cream is fragrance-free and crafted with a beginner-strength retinol, which is a form of vitamin A, well known for its superior effectiveness in anti-aging compared to other retinol esters. It also contains hyaluronic acid, a hydration powerhouse that plumps and moisturizes the sensitive under-eye skin. What's nice is the inclusion of a soothing complex aimed at minimizing irritation, a common concern with retinol products. Importantly, it's free from parabens, mineral oil, dyes, and fragrances, which is great for those with sensitive skin or who prefer minimal additives. I've incorporated this cream into my daily morning and evening skincare routine over the past few weeks, and here's how it went. The texture is light and absorbs quickly without leaving any greasy residue, which means no pilling when you apply your concealer or sunscreen afterward. It's gentle enough to use daily, thanks to that soothing complex, so I didn't experience any dryness or redness, a win for a retinol product. After about 2 weeks, I noticed a subtle improvement in the brightness around my eyes and a slight smoothing of fine lines, especially near the outer corners. While it's not a miracle worker overnight, its steady, consistent results are definitely promising. What I really appreciate is how easy this product is to use. For those new to retinol, this formula offers a manageable starting point without the harsh effects some retinol creams can cause. On the flip side, if you're dealing with very deep wrinkles or severe pigmentation, this might feel a bit mild, and you might need a stronger formulation or professional treatments alongside. So let's balance it out. The pros: gentle yet effective beginner-strength retinol, hydrating thanks to hyaluronic acid, fragrance-free, and formulated to reduce irritation, lightweight texture, and dermatologist recommended, which adds to its credibility. The cons? It's on the pricier side compared to some drugstore eye creams, and visible changes can take a few weeks, so patience is key. Also, for those with very sensitive skin, even this gentle formula might require a slow introduction. In terms of value for money, this product is justified if you're looking for a reliable retinol eye cream backed by science and dermatology expertise. You're paying for a product that balances efficacy with safety, which is crucial for the delicate eye area. If budget is a concern, some less expensive retinol eye creams can provide similar hydration and mild anti-aging benefits, but they might lack the soothing complex or purity of ingredients found here. When I compare this to other popular retinol eye creams, Neutrogena stands out for its gentle approach and accessibility in drugstores, making it easier to find and try. Some luxury brands offer stronger concentrations or added botanicals, but they often come with a higher price tag and greater risk of irritation. The packaging is simple and practical. A small squeeze tube that ensures hygiene and controls product dispensing. Since it's a retinol product, I recommend storing it in a cool, dark place to preserve its potency. The 0.5 flaw size is standard for eye creams and should last a good while if used sparingly. I haven't had direct contact with Neutrogena's customer support, but the brand generally has a solid reputation for responsive service and product reliability, which gives peace of mind if any issues arise. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. To sum up, the Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Eye Cream is a thoughtful choice for those stepping into retinol eye care or anyone who wants a gentle, science-backed product to brighten and smooth the under-eye area without fuss. It won't replace professional treatments for deep wrinkles, but it's a solid daily companion for maintenance and early anti-aging. If you've already tried this eye cream, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts and how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. You'll find the purchase link down in the description or comments. Happy glowing!